Clove. Clove, also known as Syzygies aromatic, is a popular spice that is widely used in cooking and traditional medicine. This small, dark brown spice is derived from the dried flower buds of the clove tree, which is native to Indonesia but also grown in other parts of the world. Clove has a strong aroma and a warm, slightly sweet taste that makes it a popular ingredient in a wide range of dishes from baked goods and desserts to curries and soups. Some interesting facts and benefits of clove. Clove is known for its high concentration of eugenol, a compound that has powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. This makes clove a popular natural remedy for various ailments, such as toothaches, sore throats, and headaches. Clove oil is often used topically or inhaled for its soothing effects on the body and mind. Clove has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, which means it can help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses. This makes it a popular ingredient in mouthwashes, toothpastes, and other oral care products. Clove oil can also be used to disinfect wounds and prevent infections. Clove is rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for good health. It contains significant amounts of vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium, as well as smaller amounts of other nutrients such as iron and potassium. Adding clove to your diet can help boost your overall nutrient intake and support your immune system. Clove has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to treat a variety of conditions, including digestive issues, respiratory problems, and skin disorders. Studies have suggested that clove may have potential benefits for people with diabetes. Clove is also a popular spice in many cultures and cuisines around the world. In addition to its use in sweet and savory dishes, clove is often used to flavor beverages. It can also be used to make homemade spice blends or added to marinades and rubs for meat and poultry. It is important to note that clove can be toxic in large doses. Consuming too much clove or clove oil can cause nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and other adverse effects. Pregnant women and people with bleeding disorders should also avoid using clove oil, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. It is also important to choose high-quality, organic clove products to ensure purity and avoid unwanted additives or contaminants. Use it in moderation and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns or medical conditions.